welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today we're back to our 3D Perler tutorial video. And as you can see, today I'm wearing my candy tie that is made with the pony bee. And then also attached is the Sailor Moon charm that is made with the Perler bee. They're all made with the bee, they're all handmade. So this Sailor Moon charm is made with the Perler bee. As you can see, the Sailor Moon is kind of like 3D, like popping out of the face. And then it has a background right here. And then when you turn to the back, it's the back of the Sailor Moon. So we have like two views for this Perler project. I think it would be so cool if you go into like a music festival or like a convention, and you can just attach it in the center. It's like right in the middle, right here. Everybody can see it. So it's very, very attractive and then very, very outstanding. And also I made the chibi version right here. So cute, right? Initially I had it the outline like the original design that is pink, but then it didn't have enough like contraction, so I kind of changed the color to light pink so that it has like 3 different colors. You see the layers, so it's more outstanding. And then also this one has the back as well. Super cute, right? So today I'm gonna show you how to build the Sailor Moon one. So I found this design on Pinterest. I saw people made it you know, a long time ago, and then they made it for all the characters. So I was like, okay, let me see if I can make this one. So far I can make this one, and then also the chibi version, but I kind of modify it a little bit because I don't see the back, but I make the back like this. And I also made Sailor Moon's back like this, so it has like 2-dimension view for this. Yeah, so I do look forward to make more other characters. So today I'm gonna show you how to build this Sailor Moon charm with Perler bee. Look at how cute. It's very easy because they're just layers put together. And also make sure you click the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and also the bell so you will get notification when I upload new videos, tutorial videos like this. And then I don't know if anyone's interested building the candy you know, candy tie with the pony bee. If you do, comment below. Maybe I'll make another tutorial to build this one. And if you also want to build this version, the chibi version, first you have to build the Sailor Moon and then tag me on Instagram on your story or post so I get to share with others, and then I'll send you to pattern to build this really cute one as well. Alright, it's getting really hot now. Alright, so let's get started with Sailor Moon today. Woo!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, so let's get started. Here are the 2 pieces that we will need to start. This is gonna be the base piece. This is gonna place on the top. So here are the connectors that we will need to start first. Alright, so let's start with placing these 2 yellow pieces right here. And then we're gonna connect this piece onto the top. Let's do that. Take your time because not all the time they can fit at the first time. Let me see. Okay, that's perfect. All right, so the next one I'm gonna use is these 2. So let's flip it to the back side and then insert it right here. This one piece goes right here. Perfect. And then this one will be placed it right here. Yep, going right. All right, so we got 2 more pieces right here. They're gonna be placed it right here. So let's do that right now. So slide it in this way. And then let's go to the other side. Let's work. Yay! All right, so these 2 pieces are connected. Let's add more pieces. All right, so now I bought the next piece that is gonna add on to the top. And I also took all the connector to be ready here. So let's add this piece onto the top first. So we're gonna find all the spots to insert this one onto the top, just like so. All right, we got it in. Okay, so let's work on these two pieces right here. So these two pieces is gonna go on this side and this side. So they're gonna go in this way. They work. Let's try the other side first. Yeah. Sometimes that in, looks good. And then let's go to the other side. This one should go in perfectly. Yay, we got it in. Okay, all right, so this piece is longer than this one. It's gonna go right here. Push all the way in, or you can go from the back. Yep, push it all the way. Sometimes you will find it easier to go from the back or than the front. Okay, so this one, I just want to make sure that it goes perfect. Oh, I see the problem. All right, let's use my little scissor a little bit to open it up so it can go all the way in. Yep, now it looks perfect. All right, that comes handy. Okay, all right, so this one that has the yellow, let's match it to the back because I know this one is missing the yellow on the back. So this one is gonna go right here. And then the other one, actually this one is 3 bead instead of 2. So I modify it. It's gonna go on to the other side. Looking good? All right, so let's add this piece. It's the face piece onto the top first. So it goes like right here. All right, looking good. And then let's add the top pieces right here. Insert it this way. Maybe the other side. Yeah, it's better on this side, and then one more on this side. Yep, looking good. And then these two is gonna go under the chin right here. It seems easy, but sometimes it can be very challenging as well. How come it doesn't squeeze in? Let me see why. Okay, got it. And then on the other side, we squeeze it right here as well. Yay! Let's add on more pieces. All right, as you can see, we're almost done here. So let's add this piece onto here. Sometimes I like to flip it over to find the side that's sticking more. Okay, and then this one onto the top. All right, and then the hair, we're gonna place it just right here. Got it? All right, so a few more pieces. Let's bring them all right here. So these are gonna be the add-on pieces just right here. So let's finish with this one. And then we're gonna insert it onto the top. So take your time and then pop these two first. This one is a little bit challenging to put it in. Yeah, so these two will go under onto the side, just like so. All right, let's add these two to the side. One on this side and then one on the other side. And then the top, these two. Looking good. All right, let me see if this one will stay on. Sometimes it doesn't, then we have to use the glue gun. Let's use the glue gun. And then these two, we're gonna use the glue gun to add them on as well. All right, so I got the glue gun ready. So let's add this one onto the top. Yep. Just like right here. And then the other one, add it right here. Oops. Did I get it right? Okay, so this is gonna be the centerpiece. I think I had it this way. Yep. All right, so this one maybe I'm gonna fix it. So it's be careful because the hot glue gun is really hot. So let's take this out and then I'm gonna add it again, just right here. Alright, let's try again. Yeah, so this one looks much better. And in here I'm gonna add the glue gun right here, and then I'm gonna place this one onto the top, then we'll be done. Alright, now you got this Sailor Moon charm right here looking pretty cute, and then turn onto the back is the back of the Sailor Moon. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to make the chibi, make sure to tag me on Instagram with the story and your post, and I'm gonna send you the pattern to do the other one. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!